In our last video segment, we went a little old school and programmed a text-only, a console-based program using our Visual Basic. Visual Basic also allows us to program for the Windows graphical user interface environment, and everything in the graphical world is an object, and objects have methods and properties. So let's recreate the equivalent of that first code in a graphical format. So here I have a Windows form to which I've added a button and a text box. And if I double click on the button, I can add code to this object. So this is the code for the button object, and this code is an event handler that handles when the button is clicked. So when this button is clicked, what do we want it to do? We want to make a change in another object, the text box object, and we're going to change the text property, which currently has nothing in it, and we're going to change it to hello world. So that's the equivalent of our console write line in the text-based world in our graphical world. So we're going to output the same message, hello world. Essentially, the program does the same thing, but in a more elegant graphical method. So let's go ahead and run that and see how that runs. So here's my Windows form, here's my empty text box, and here's my button. And there's lots of different events that are happening as I move my mouse around. You see the button respond to one of them when the mouse goes over it. So the mouse going over or entering the button, those are events. The event we programmed here is when the button is clicked. So let's go ahead and do that now. The button is clicked, the code is executed, which changed the text property of the text box 1 control and displayed our message hello world. And then to end the program, we click on close.